This video is for class 8 physics, and today's topic is atmospheric pressure. Like liquids, gases also exert pressure because both of them can flow, hence they are known as fluids. Our earth is surrounded by air to a height of about 200 km. This envelope of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. I hope you all know what atmosphere is. And air has weight. We've been studying since class 4 5. Air has weight. The weight of air exerts a thrust on the earth. That means the weight of the air can give a force on the earth. The thrust on unit area means 1 meter square. Remember, this unit area here is around 1 meter square, right? 1 meter square uh, of the earth's surface due to the column of air is called atmospheric pressure. Okay, let me explain this. Suppose we consider earth. Okay, I want to use a black color. Suppose we consider earth. The earth has atmosphere around it, although it's looking like an egg, but it's okay, right? uh, the earth has atmosphere around it, and since this atmosphere is made out of air, and this atmosphere will have weight, and this weight will give thrust on the surface of the earth. So if the surface of the earth is 1 meter square, right, and the weight of this air column acting on 1 meter square is around 1 lakh 1 2 3 4 5, it's around 1 lakh Newton. So 1 lakh Newton is around the weight of one elephant. 1 lakh Newton is pressing the area which is 1 meter square on the surface of the earth. Okay, therefore the pressure exerted by the atmosphere on the surface is known as atmospheric pressure, whose value is around 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh 1 2 3 4 5 1 lakh Newton per meter square, right? It's like 1 lakh Newton per meter square. Okay, when you go to the next page, you'll see that we have come to the next page. So it is about 10 to the power 5, which is 1 lakh Newton per meter square. Thus a thrust of 1 lakh Newton acts on every 1 meter square of the surface of objects on earth. Okay, and then we can go to the do you know box. So that means since our body area is around, the average area of our body, human body, is around 2 meters square, therefore we are also feeling pressure because air is above us, and this pressure is around 2 lakh Newton per meter square. That means we are feeling that much tremendous amount of pressure, which is nearly equal to the weight of 2 elephants kept on the head. But we are not feeling that pressure because our blood pressure is balancing that atmospheric pressure. Okay, so uh, can we see the pressure? Since it is balanced by the blood pressure, we are not feeling it also. So the existence of atmospheric pressure can be demonstrated by the following simple activities. There are two activities, and I made a I haven't then I have selected two different videos from YouTube, whose link I have attached with this YouTube video in your Google class. So make sure that you watch those videos as well. Okay, uh, so this much for today, and then I'll make a new video on the next topic. So thank you so much.